Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about Module 3, Developing and Updating Quality SOPs. In this video, you will learn what is an SOP, why SOPs matter in quality assurance, what should a good quality SOP include, example SOP, when to update a quality SOP, SOP development process, and real-world scenario. Let's begin and learn how to make better quality products together. Think of SOPs as the recipe book of your quality process. If everyone follows the same recipe, the product tastes the same every time. What is an SOP? It means a step-by-step instruction that tells how to perform a task correctly, ensures consistency, quality, and compliance. SOPs are essential for training, inspections, audits, and continuous improvement. Why SOPs matter in quality assurance? Key benefits: standardized work across teams and shifts, reduces chances of human error, makes training easier for new staff, helps comply with buyer and legal requirements, supports factory audits like ISO, buyer audits, etc. Example: one factory failed a buyer audit because visual inspection SOPs weren't documented. After standardizing SOPs, they passed the next audit with 0 nonconformities. What should a good quality SOP include? A clear SOP not only helps people understand what to do, but also why and how. Don't skip the purpose and responsibility sections. They make ownership clear. SOP include title and document code, purpose, why the SOP exists, scope, why and what it covers, procedure steps, step-by-step instructions, responsibilities, who does what, forms or checklists used, version number and revision history, approvals and sign-off. Example SOP, fabric inspection. SOP highlights purpose, ensure only acceptable fabric enters production. Scope, all fabric rolls received in the warehouse. Method, 4-point system inspection. Tools, fabric inspection machine, defect tags. Records, fabric inspection report, defect classification guide. When to update a quality SOP. Triggers for SOP updates. Buyer or regulatory changes. Audit findings or corrective actions. New machinery or technology. Process improvements from root cause analysis. Staff feedback or training results. Tip: review SOPs at least once every 12 months or after a major process change. SOP development process. Involve the people who actually use the SOPs. Their feedback will make the document more practical and effective. Flowchart of SOP development process. 1. Identify need. 2. Draft SOP. 3. Review with QA or production teams. 4. Test in pilot. 5. Finalize and approve. 6. Train staff. 7. Implement. 8. Review and update. Real-world scenario. Scenario: during a customer visit, the QA team was confused about handling a poor color match in inline checks. The SOP was outdated and didn't reflect current procedures. Solution: revised the inline inspection SOP, added color shade grading steps with visuals, trained QA and production teams, Audited usage weekly for 1 month. Result: improved shade matching consistency and reduced shade-related rework by 35%. Quick summary of Module 3. SOPs are the backbone of your quality system. A good SOP is clear, practical, and regularly updated. Always test and train before finalizing. Use real issues from production as learning points to improve SOPs. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 4.